Oos, Impz says, say what's up, konnichiwa. This video, more cool stuff from Wonder Festival 2023 winter. And in this video, we take a look at the Shibuya Scramble Figure, Makima. And this is a character from Chainsaw Man. And this is coming out in April of 2024 at a price of 28,820 yen, which is 28,820 yen. And it's a 1/7 scale figure. But yeah, very cool looking Makima. And if you order directly from Shibuya Scramble Figure or eStream, supposedly you can get an alternate faceplate as well, so that's cool to have, I think. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you again soon. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Mata aimashou. Ja ne. Oos. Thanks for watching.